Okay, we got her all in DP now. Next phase. Next step will be doing the body work. We'll let it sit for 3 days, 4 days, and then we'll start doing body work over the DP. It's getting real close. It's getting real close. He's down to just the last little bit of standing. Dan had to strip all the paint. There's a bunch of bad paint around the cowling there. He stripped all that down. He's going to re-primer it. And he's got everything sealed. All the joints are seam sealed. He got everything ready to go right now. He's got the color, got just a base color on the inside of the jambs. He got a little bit of color on the outside of the hood, fenders, and doors, or the hoods and doors. He put a little DB 500 just to protect it, and then we're going to mount the doors and the hood, and they'll paint it all at one time. So we're getting really close. We should have the doors on it, I'm hoping tomorrow, and then it'll be ready to paint. We'll put the doors on tomorrow to the date on the Mopar. Dan's got it all buffed. He put it up on the rack. He got down and he buffed the bottom of the rockers, bottoms of the doors. It came out nice. I don't know if this will do justice on it, but that's all the way around. He's got all the little panels have been spotted in. We just have to get them buffed a little bit. It looks really nice. Dad really went all out getting this thing nice for the gentleman. We're going to put it back together next week, put the wheels back on it. The glass goes back in Thursday morning, and we can start putting the trim back on it.